Good afternoon. This is Kay with Around the House with Kay and Tom. Going to cook some potatoes. We're going to do it real quick. Got a thunderstorm coming up, I think, but I wanted to get these potatoes cooked today. So all I'm going to do is take some parchment paper, put a pan with it a little bit. I'm going to cook these in my Ninja because it's so much quicker to cook. And we're just going to wash them and dice them up just a little bit. I'm just going to put some Italian seasoning dressing on it. A little butter on top of it. And I'm going to spray a little olive oil on top just to give it just a little oil on it. Quick and easy today. All I'm going to do is I'm washing them a little bit, and I always look over my potatoes and make sure there's no bad spots. And I'm just going to cut them in just any piece. I got these a couple of weeks ago, and I kept thinking I was going to make a roast, but I never have, so we're just going to cook them today. And you really don't even have to cut them up at all. Saturday afternoon, just getting something done. All I'm going to do, and this is just Italian seasoning. We're just going to sprinkle some on it. And I'm going to just take some butter, put a few pats on top of it. Let's see, I've got some of that seasoning on my gloves. And we're just going to, this was just a spur of the moment thing that I've decided to do. And sometimes spur of the moment things turn out so much better. When that gets to melting, I will sort of stir up my potatoes. And I'm just going to, this is olive oil spray by Pam. You use any kind of spray you want to, but I just need them, need a little something on them. I'm going to put these in the Ninja, and I'm just going to put them under air fryer and cook them for about, let's say 30 minutes. I have it on 30 minutes at 375, and I have it on air fryer, and as you can hear, it is now preheating. Just as soon as it gets to 375, we're going to stick our potatoes in there. Okay, I have stirred them up just a little. Try to get them coated in that what little butter I put on there and the olive oil. And we're going to finish letting them cook. And they have 6 minutes and 13 seconds. And we'll come back and check them again and take them out, I think, because I think they're done. Well, I have taken a toothpick and stuck in them, and they're definitely done. So I'm going to take them and put them over here on a plate. And this was nothing in the world but some potatoes. I cut them in half. I put some seasoning on it, Italian seasoning, some butter, and I sprayed it down with olive oil. And this, I put it on parchment paper, put it in my Ninja XL fryer, and I cooked it for 30 minutes. When you're by yourself, it's amazing what you will eat or what you'll fix for your dinner or whatever. It's never, sometimes not a whole lot. So tonight I am going to have some of these potatoes. I know to a lot of you this will seem like a really weird dinner, but this is some air fried potatoes, string beans, and an ear of corn. And that is my dinner for tonight. Around the house with Kay and Tom, I have an ear of corn, some string beans, and my potatoes. And they really turned out good. Please subscribe, give me your comments, and come back to see me. I know this is a really short video, but not much you can do with potatoes to make a long video, but they sure was good. And come back to see me. Have a fantastic night, and I will catch you next time.